gentle. Push. Look at the brake. Pull that towards it. Try and do it as gently as you can. Leave it at that. Back, all the way back to the stop. Keep your hand on the brake and I'll tell you when I want you to put it in. No, not that one. Put the brake on now, please. All the way. All the way, leave it on and wag it to and fro. Right. No. Ease it down a bit. But keep it going. If it's not chuffing, it's not working. Keep it going. Next one will be the brake, I tell you. Now please. Leave the brake on.
Forward.
Be careful of the pipes as you go through.
So, yeah, so
All the way,
So,
right till it hits the other end. All the way. Now I don't know if you remember what I said to your colleague.
Yeah, so
as we're going back, if we're going a bit quick, I might ask you to go over 1, 2, back.
okay, yeah, so pull it and then do.
Well,
and
the
then
first
do.
thing you're going to do is get us moving, but if we're going a bit too fast as we approach the quick, I'll be saying over 1, 2, back.
Okay.
So sound the whistle first.
Okay.
Off with the brake. Get us moving. And back.
Does that sound the whistle for the crossing or?
Just flip the brake, like I said, over 1, 2, back. And another one. And back, and another one. And the next time you'll be putting the brake on and leaving it on. You're going to do that now, please. Just take it off a bit. And put it on again. On brake. Otherwise we've got, they need a tax.